Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. And one card from the fairy tale oracle. So that will be your oracle guidance. So I will start with the general reading. So this oracle guidance, it may answer some questions you have in your mind about some situation, guys. So you can watch that. So that may answer uh, some doubts or some questions you have in your mind. So let's start with the general reading first, Leos. So we have Nine of Pentacles, the Hierophant in reverse, and Seven of Swords in reverse. So with these cards for your general energies, Leos, you have happiness, that emotional satisfaction today. So maybe people around you, they understand you well, or you have come to an understanding with them, maybe in your career or in your life with your family members or with this person you love. You have that great understanding going on between you all, and maybe you are a very sociable person. You love to be with people, to communicate with them, talk to them. So today you are having that conversation with them, showing your whatever you have in your heart, maybe your true desires, your dreams and goals, whatever you have about your life. And you have that satisfaction because of that, that you're able to speak your mind today. You have a good friend who is able to what to say, you are able to speak what you have to someone truthfully. So you are really happy for that, and your situation is quite good. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment. Maybe in your career things are sailing smoothly, or even in your personal life things are sailing smoothly. So some kind of emotional contentment is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, there is someone giving you some valuable suggestions, some ideas how things need to be done, or you are giving someone some ideas, but you are not willing to listen to them, or they are not willing to listen to you. So some kind of what to say, you are quite stubborn in your views and ideals. You want to stick to them no matter what. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. So we have Eight of Swords. So with this card, I see that you have some kind of confusions in your situation, guys. Something is blocking your vision. You have doubts or confusions, tied down, maybe stuck to something. You are unable to go this way nor that way. So maybe you are deciding something today, guys, Leos, and you are not clear about your choice. So you don't know which way to go, whether to the right or to the left. Maybe you have love for this person, but something is blocking your decisions in this connection, guys. So maybe for some of you, you would have asked someone, your friend, maybe to suggest what needs to be done, maybe some suggestions, some advice, but you are unable to follow that or unable to take up that choice because you feel that it may ruin your love you have for them. So that is what is holding you back today, Leos. So you feel if you decide something, it is going to spoil this connection or spoil this love. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Five of Swords. So in your career, you are putting in lot of efforts, but though you are working with lot of skills and talents, you are implementing everything, doing your work with that concentration. No matter what, you are facing some difficulties in your career situation, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is your fairy tale oracle card. So we have Cinderella, magic. Such a beautiful card here, guys, for your Leos. So this card just stands for transformation in our situation, guys. So we have to make use of our time wisely, maybe in our life, maybe when we are living a life of what to say, what we dream about, that glamorous life, that what to say, posing as something when we are doing something. We should also be able to transform back to our normal selves, to our normal mundane things, whatever we do every day to day in our life. And whatever rules and ideals we have in our life, we need to follow that. Maybe, guys, that may reduce the stress and worries that we have in our situation. And we must be clear about ourselves. We must be clear in our heart. We must know what we need for ourselves and what is the right thing to do. So something is ending and something is beginning today for your Leos. Maybe for some of you it may be worries or stress or some kind of emotional blocks. Whatever you have, all that is coming to an end, and you are stepping up as a more clear and skilled person today, having that experience, confidence and acceptance in your heart today. And you need to believe that your situation will turn for the better, guys, Leos, and the right person is coming for you. So maybe if you feel that you are not in connection with that person, this may not be the person for you. You need to take time and wait, listen to your heart, whatever you feel, and be clear about your decisions, Leos. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.